Turning lane starts here, but there are cars coming down the oncoming traffic lane.
Classic.
There was a truck behind me that starts honking.
Back up.
I can't go anywhere, and this lady is just sitting there in the wrong
Classic.
lane. Dude on the street and guys in Jeep are telling her the same thing. Nobody can move with her in the way.
There's a fire truck!
Oh my gosh. What a Karen. Just like, is this the hill you want to die on for some reason? Like, why is this the battle you chose to fight? Like, to the tooth and nail. I don't know if that's the saying, but it's something along those lines.
Now you're basically stopped at a green light, so...
Flora doesn't communicate with other drivers.
Okay, did you signal in when you changed lanes?
No.
She doesn't know which lane she's in.
So if you're going to turn left, which lane should you be in?
Left lane.
So do you know that you're not in the left lane?
I might. Oh, I'm.
But if there's one mistake that Flora makes more than any other, it is.
You're stopped at a green light. You're stopped at a green light?
Yes.
Yes.
Flora stops at almost every intersection.
Now we're stopped at a green light.
That's so stressful. That's so stressful. I feel for her because driving is very stressful, but at the same time, it might just not be for her. I don't know. You know what I mean? That's so funny. You're stopped at a green light? Okay, we're stopped at a green light. Oh, she just wants to pull over. I get it.
Because we're going
Oh, look
down.
at this guy squeezing through. It's so cute.
No, because we're going down, you're saying it's going to be hotter.
I can't back up.
The place is 2 hours away and you're saying...
Oh my god. Are we getting robbed?
What the fuck?
You come at the car.
What in the world? The people in the car with the dash cam, just them laughing is so funny. This was recent too. This was this year. That's like just crazy. I mean, listen, I get it. But normally if like I'm in that situation and I'm in the car with the dash cam, I'll watch traffic for the other person. And they were so close. It was clear like right before they snuck in and then the light turned green. So that's what happens. But normally I'll be like, yo, just hold on. There's cars coming, you know? We gotta work together.
Do not go. Do not go. Black and white blue lorry coming. Fucking hell. What an idiot!
Oh my gosh. Just like, oh, that just made me nervous. I don't know. I just felt anxious watching that one. I didn't like it. He's a little too in the other lane, you know? Ooh, close calls. Holy, that was just crazy. That person really wanted to just change lanes whenever they felt like, you know what I mean? This actually happens a lot, I feel like. People don't look. People barely look in their mirror and they definitely don't look over their shoulder. But, you know, you can't see sometimes. People are just in that perfect situation where even if you do look in your mirror, you just can't see them. You gotta look. I know it seems stupid, but better than crashing into somebody on the freaking highway. Oh no. Oh no. Not good. There's a light there too. It's not like you're just left to guess. There's a reason for the light. I get it. And that the caption is so true. 1 more second. Like it was so close. You just need to wait 1 second. Ooh. Can somebody who knows stuff about cars tell me like how expensive that will be to fix? Let me know. because your girl doesn't know anything about cars. I know some stuff about other stuff. Cars, though, couldn't be me. Oh my God. Are they still driving too? They took that exit. Oh my gosh. This appears to be like a semi-truck. You guys are gonna, it's a semi. I don't care, okay? Semantics at this point. Like why, it's not good to do that with any kind of car, but like, I do not I will miss the exit, 110%. I will, you know, take 30 extra minutes, an hour extra, rather than mess with a semi-truck because I want to get on the exit and I didn't plan. I'll always go behind. What the heck? Crazy. And then the other semi-truck got all f***ed up because of this person's dumbass decision. And then they just kept going. Terrible. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I don't know how that person still has their license. That many things? That's too many. That's too many, and I also understand why no one wants to drive with you. At least you're honest. We love a reflective queen. Oh. Just right on the curb. No worries. Half in, half out. Oh, I was so scared I was gonna hear like a scraping sound. What in the hell? It's not like an obstacle course. Just means that this is the end of where you park. Oh gosh, that'd be so embarrassing. I'd be embarrassed if that was me. People are so stupid. People will really like inconvenience and almost cause a crash with another person because of their like poor planning, really, is what it comes down to, is that you weren't in the right lane. You can't just cut across people. Also, like, just go around, you know? You made a mistake. You're gonna take a little extra to get through. Like, and also it looked like that was like gas station, maybe like a fast food place, something like that, you know? Not like, I was trying to think of somewhere important to be and I was gonna say court. I don't know why. It's not like it's court, you know? It's just whatever. People are crazy. People are crazy. Oh, it's fast food. Wait, I can't. Oh my God. Okay, guys. I didn't realize that it was fast forwarded at the beginning, so when that car went by, I was like, that was so fast. I'm an idiot. I couldn't focus on the rest of the video because I was just dying and how stupid I am. Can I watch it again, please, Chris? Sorry. I thought that I'm dumb. Oh. Okay, straight. Oh my God. How do you hit? That's like 4 cars plus your own, so 5 cars that got damaged because this person's just trying to pull out of a parking spot? Is that what are they trying to park or pull out? I can't tell either way. I think they're trying to pull out, but either way. They like kind of like bumped into that one red car and then they were like, well, f it. We already fucked up, so let's send it. Guys, that's it. That's all the Entitled Drivers we have for today. I hope you had silly goose time, because I sure did. Yeah, I'll see you again soon. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski. How else are you gonna know if I don't say my name? And I'll see you very soon. Bye.